Hi everyone, I'm John from Braunton Fine & Country, and today we are at Sandbourne, a stunning 10-bedroom versatile Tudor residence here in the heart of the sought-after coastal village of Croyde. Sandbourne is a rare opportunity for anyone looking for a property here in Croyde, as it's one of thought to be only 2 Tudor homes here in the village, and as you can see, it's benefiting from the stunning iconic facades that Tudor properties do have as well. The property itself is incredibly versatile, offering 10 bedrooms over a split accommodation, which is fantastic for someone looking to live here but also make a fantastic income at the same time. Another notable feature for this property is the fact that it sits in a half-acre plot, which offers fantastic further potential subject to the necessary planning consents. Benefiting from part of the Tudor era is this famous arts and crafts style, which, as you can see throughout the property, benefits from lovely character features, including this mezzanine level and various features throughout. The accommodation throughout the property is incredibly versatile and currently offers 8 bedrooms to the main residence and several reception rooms, which are fantastic for hosting guests, family and friends. There are also 2 detached further units that are studio annexes to the rear of the property, the back garden, which also again can generate fantastic incomes. Throughout the property, lots of features adorn the property back to its era of build, including stained glass windows, fantastic bay features looking over towards Croyde Bay with the sand dunes in the foreground. The property offers scope throughout to be improved by a new owner, but also offers that scope then to rearrange the accommodation to suit them also. With the fantastic gardens surrounding the property, there's ample space for everyone as well. If you're interested in using this property just for generating incomes, the property is already laid out in a brilliant way to do so, with several separate units having their own accesses, allowing for private use for anyone who does want to stay, but also allows for opening up for big family bookings as well. This really is a fantastic opportunity to acquire a one-off property here in Croyde, which is one of the UK's most visited coastal villages, with stunning beaches, fantastic surf, and this property in particular benefits from the beautiful sea views and the serene countryside to the rear. So for more information, give us a call on 01271 818 121.